Hi guys, Andy here. Let's have a look at the NASDAQ futures. Today is Saturday, February 10th. Time is around 5 p.m. GMT. So it's weekend. Let's start from the higher time frame. Here we are looking at the weekly chart, and my take on the NASDAQ is that we made a wave one high right here. We came down as a wave two in three waves down, 1, 2, 3, corrective move, and from here we started a new cycle up. So that would mean that we are working here on this wave 3. Actually looks very bullish, wave 3 in the higher degree. The way to go there would be again in 5 waves, and so now we are probably working here on this wave 1 in my opinion, and this wave 1 should again consist of 5 waves, and so far I believe we have a 1, a 2, and now the 3 might be ongoing. So actually the Nasdaq looks quite bullish. Also here, if we look at RSI, it looks like we will take out, or we are on our way to take out the wave 1 RSI reading here, so that would be perfectly normal for a wave 3. So that would be a confirmation of the scenario here in green. However, there is still a bearish possibility in the higher time frame, although the chances are getting smaller and smaller for this scenario to play out. Let me quickly explain. There is still a possibility that we are actually working on this wave 2 here, and it would mean that we are doing an expanded flat structure. So we came down in 3, 1, 2, 3 as a wave A. Then now we have our overshooting wave B. And then from here, we could get an impulsive wave down as a wave C to make the wave 2 low somewhere right here. So taking out the low right here. In order for this scenario to be valid, it is important to stay in this area here as an overshooting wave B. This is the area that we find by taking the length of our wave A, and then we know that our overshooting wave B should stay in the area between the 1 and the 1.236 FIB extension. So as you can see, we are getting close to the extreme boundary of this scenario. So the thing to watch now here in the higher time frame is, okay, if we take out the wave 1 or wave A RSI, that is a confirmation or an indication that we are working on our wave 3. But as long as we respect the area right here, the bearish scenario is still possible, or I would not neglect it. What I am looking at, or what I am focusing on for the bearish scenario is indeed what will we do right here at this level, at the 1.236 FIB extension. If it turns out that we really stop here at the 1.236 FIB extension, and on the lower time frame, we can easily identify 5 waves, so an ending structure from the low right here, then I think we have to be careful. It would be way easier if we simply violate the level right here and that we further go up. That would give us a lot of clarity, I would say. But if it turns out now the coming days or weeks that we really stop here at this level, and that we can identify 5 waves up, an ending structure from the low right here, then then we need to have a closer look at this bearish scenario again if we start to come down from here. So hopefully we just get clarity and we get further confirmation of the bullish scenario, which simply means that we further go up, working here on the wave 3. That would be our first target, and this target we can find by taking the length of the wave 1, taking the length of the wave 2, and then a wave 3 is supposed to end in the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIP extension. Ideally, a textbook wave 3 here goes to the 1.618 FIP extension or beyond. Okay, so now we have some higher time frame context. Let's break it down. Let's go to the daily. So let me start first with the bearish scenario, so we can stop discussing this. The bearish scenario here, like I said, what I want to see is 5 waves up and ending more or less here at this level, the extension that I just showed you. As you can see, compared to my previous higher time frame analysis, I already modified a bit the wave count here of my bearish scenario. This is not because of hope or something similar. No, I just want to be prepared. So previously I had something like this, and I told you that we were really reaching the limits of this scenario. Yeah, this is true. This scenario is in the meantime invalid, as our wave 3 is the shortest one. But like I have my bearish like I have my bullish count right here. The bearish count here in the daily actually still fits into or aligns with the bullish count to some degree. I think this here would still be valid for the time being, as this can be our wave 1. Here, strongest RSI reading. Normally it happens in a wave 3, but sometimes it also happens in a wave 1. So this here or wave 1, shallow wave 2, then this here or wave 3, wave 4 pullback. And so now for this bearish scenario, it is important that we do not take out here the wave 3 RSI reading. If we would do this, it would actually also mean that we probably go beyond this level. So this is something to further focus on, or to pay attention to. If this would happen, then I think we can exclude the bearish scenario for now, and we have a lot of indications actually that we can simply continue with the bullish scenario. That would make our life probably a bit easier. However, with financial markets, you never know. But okay, this is my reasoning. We can still see 5 waves here, but these are really the limits. I would say we have here the extension, the wave B, the upper boundary of a potential wave B area, and at the same time the sub waves are telling us that we cannot take out the wave 3 RSI reading right here as a fifth wave. So it all comes together here the next days, in my opinion. So far, the bearish scenario, I think we can now simply continue with the bullish one, and the bullish one would actually be, so here also our wave 1, wave 2 pullback, and the best count is actually the bullish one, in my opinion. This one is a bit forced, I would say. However, it is still possible, but the best one actually looks like the bullish count, and that would mean that we are now working here on this wave tree, especially after the move of Friday. If we go here now to the 4 hour, let's start again from here. So it looks like from here we nicely have 5 waves: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have our divergence here, so that's good. That could be our wave 1, then a wave 2 correction as an expanded flat, 1, 2, 3, and then from this low another cycle. And so if we study this cycle, I would say wave 1, shallow wave 2 again, and then from here a third wave, strongest RSI reading right here. So this is an indication that for now we have our wave 3 here. Wave 4, pull back. This nicely played out here as shown in the 1 hour. We had a nice ABC pullback, perfectly reacting from the equal leg area. And so again, from here on the lower time frame, we started a new upward cycle. So first, I started here with a scenario that we would like do an ending diagonal as a fifth wave. This happens quite often, but of course the fifth wave can also be something more impulsive. And after the move of Friday, it is clear to me, or I would go for a scenario where we indeed have a more impulsive fifth wave instead of an ending diagonal. So from the low right here, we had again an impulse up, again nicely 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then here we had, or I think we see it better on the 15-minute chart. No, let's go to the, I'm sorry, let's go to the, or let's stay with the 1 hour. So here we had an expanded, a running flat structure, excuse me, 1, 2, 3, wave A, wave B up, then wave C. We did not take out the wave A low. I told you this is, this happens in markets. This would be our target area, and from here launching again, we did not reach this area. Instead, we started to go up again from here. And then on my last video, I told you from here we could again observe an impulsive structure. That was the case, but so instead of pulling back, or instead of this being or wave 3, so like here, like in an ending diagonal, we got something more impulsive. And so here on the lower time frame, shallow wave 2 pullback. And so now from here we started, or it looks like we started a new upward cycle, this wave 3 right here. So my best interpretation is that we do not have yet a finished upward structure. I still think we are working here on the fifth wave. So at some point in time, actually not not so far in time, I would say this is something ending, but in my opinion it's not the end yet. I would say at least 2 more swings. It looks like a 4 and a fifth wave is missing, and even after the fourth and the fifth wave, my best interpretation would be an additional two swings, a wave 4 in a higher degree and a wave 5 in the higher degree, to finish this wave 5 right here. That would be my best estimate for now of the path that we have to go to finish this fifth wave. And like I told you, what we should look out for here the next days is here the bearish scenario, especially the level right here, and what is happening here with our RSI. Okay, that's it for now. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you one of the next days for another update on the NASDAQ. Have a nice day. Bye bye.